Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel, thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience, and any comments or questions you may have, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I want to make a quick video today about VeChain and their recently announced partnership with the UCO Network, which is the used cooking oil network. But before I go there, I'll start off by looking at the cryptocurrency market as a whole. We're still holding above $1 trillion market cap with a 24-hour trading volume of $56.5 billion. Bitcoin dominance has increased to 42.5%, with Bitcoin itself sitting at $22,669, so still not broken through at $23,000. It's given back a few of its gains over the last 24 hours, but still up 6% on the week. It's a bit of a flat day today, to be honest with you. If we go to the top rises over the last 24 hours, Aptos continues to do well. It's up another 27% today, so if anyone's in that, well done. It's not something I'm personally invested in. There's not major risers, so it's, only Aptos 27%. The rest, the biggest other riser is Mina, up 5.47%, but the majority of the market is a fairly flat day. There's a few pullbacks, which is, I don't mind because they give me an opportunity to buy in. So going to the VeChain page, we're down 3.3%. That doesn't bother me. Like I said, 0.022 gives me a better buying opportunity because I'm in this for the long term. So what we've got a market cap still above 1.6 billion. 24-hour trading volume of 59 million, and there's 72.5 billion VeChain in circulation, which is 84% of the total supply. Going on to sentiment, more shilling of other coins. I'm starting to lose faith in this sort of thing. That's fair enough. Can't argue with this if you're talking about real world enterprise, because they are involved in real world projects. So some of this is, you just have to filter through the garbage basically, because some people are there just to show you absolute crap, which I'm not really interested in. So onto the sorry, I got stumbled in my words there. Onto the actual article on Crypto News Flash. VeChain UCO Network is revolutionizing the used cooking oil and biofuel industry with VET-Tech and IoT transparency. Now I'll quickly show you the UCO Network website if you want to. I'll link it down below. So this tells you what they do. It's about like moving used cooking oil to become biofuels, basically. So if you want to read through that at your leisure, please feel free to do so. Where's my mouse gone? Let's go back to the article. In 3, 2, 1. That was quicker than I thought. My computer's getting a bit old. I need to replace it. Anyway, the UCO network will leverage the VeChain technology and expertise to improve the transparency and security of its marketplace. According to its 2023 schedule, the VeChain Foundation hopes the network's developers can complete the carbon footprint explorer for the network before June 2023. So that's 6 months away. So these are things that are going to be happening short term. 6 months in crypto is not a long term time at all. 6 months in business is like 5 minutes. But moving on, even though the cooking oil industry is an essential aspect of the global economy, it continues to suffer from a lack of transparency and inefficiencies. However, the UCO network is making efforts to address these issues, and its first step is to create a global platform to collect, process, and trade off used cooking oil. The platform is built on blockchain technology to enhance efficiency and transparency in this industry. A side benefit of using blockchain technology is that buyers and sellers would not need intermediaries to complete their transactions successfully. Also, blockchain technology ensures the recording of transactions can be audited or tracked when necessary. Leveraging VeChain's technology. Hence, it is no surprise that the UCO network collaborates with the leading blockchain platform VeChain under this agreement. The UCO network can leverage the VeChain technology and expertise to improve transparency and security of its marketplace. With this VeChain partnership and introducing other features, the UCO network has proven its readiness to make a massive impact in the biofuel and used cooking industries. Now, this isn't something I'm familiar with, like the whole biofuel industry, but I know it's quite a big sector. So if VeChain can get involved in that, then that's all good for me, because I'm becoming quite a large investor. This guy Eisenreich, he's the one that raised the news and brought it to everyone's attention, so he's worth giving a follow on Twitter. I'll drop the article down below so you can go to all the links on there. UCO have also tweeted about it. Where were we rather? The combination of blockchain technology and IoT sensors make it easy for the UCO network to establish an efficient platform to collect and trade used cooking oil. One key feature of the UCO network introduces its IoT sensors, which provide live data of when cooking oil is collected and processed, thus boosting transaction confidence among buyers and sellers. In addition, the network recently launched its collection app to ensure the efficient collection of used cooking oil without harming the environment. Anyone can collect and sell used cooking oil to the UCO network marketplace quickly and conveniently through this app. Meanwhile, UCOIL, UCO's native token, will be the governance token with the UCO network marketplace. Besides using the token to complete transactions on the platform, UCOIL holders can also access features not available to token holders, such as staking and community voting. Furthermore, holders can earn rewards through community participation. UCOIL holders have the chance to support the vision and technology of a firm making efforts to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions and the reliance on fossil fuels. Now, that's the most important thing there, because this is massive. I'm sure you can't watch the news anywhere, wherever you are in the world, without people talking about greenhouse gases and whatnot. Anything green, environmentally friendly, it's big business at the moment. That's the way the world's heading. Like, everyone's going towards electric cars. Despite the fact that cobalt mine is absolutely revolting, we're getting away from fossil fuels, whether we like it or not. They're going to drag us there kicking and screaming. I might not be involved in it if you can make money out of it. That's the way I look at it. Anyway, that was a little tangent. The UCO network's ESG mission aligns with the current trend among venture capitalists as they continue to focus their investments on sustainable projects. More VeChain projects and partnerships. Meanwhile, this partnership with the UCO network is one of the many accomplishments the VeChain Foundation accomplished last year. Hence, the foundation has outlined the network's plans for this year. According to its 2023 schedule, the VeChain Foundation hopes the network's developers can complete the carbon footprint explorer for the network before June 2023, as previously mentioned. Also, the foundation wants to complete the network's wallet browser extension and an ETH token bridge before the end of Q2 2023, which I believe is June as well. Then, in the last 2 quarters of this year, VeChain developers hope to release multi-chain generic data bridge and an asset lending platform. Right, that's the end of the article, which I will link down below for you to read through, because there are some interesting links in there. If we go to the VeChain chart, if it will load, because as I say, my computer's behaving appallingly. So 3, 2, 1. Come on, people want to see you. I'm terribly sorry, but here we go. Right, so looking at the VeChain chart, this is on the daily, which is my preferred time frame to look at. You can see we've still got positive momentum on the MACD. We've still got the signal line and the MACD line above the 0. They're flattening off slightly. The 50-day moving average, 50-period moving average is starting to kink upwards, as is the 100. Price is remaining above the 100, which is bullish. We've had a little pullback yesterday, but we're pushing back up. We should recover those gains within the next couple of days. And I still see our next target at 0.026. Someone asked me about is it an issue that we're below the 78% Fibonacci line. I don't use Fibonacci. I used to use it, and I back tested it for quite a while, and to be honest with you, I found it was very useful after the fact, not prior to the event. I mean, I'm not going to disrespect Fibonacci. I know a lot of people make a lot of money out of it. There's a lot of people that use Elliott waves. I'm not really an Elliottian. These things don't appeal to me. I like moving averages, price action and MACD. That's all I need. I don't want to overcomplicate my charts with Fibonacci and Elliott waves and all these whatever people like to use. It's just not for me. I like to keep it as simple as possible. I've tried everything. I used to use RSI. I still do occasionally, but predominantly I use price action, a couple of moving averages, trend lines, and price action. And for my momentum and divergences, I use the MACD. It's as simple as possible. I could probably teach my child how I do my children how I do my technical analysis, but and the position we're in now, there's no divergences or bearish divergences. We're just in we're looking bullish. We're above the 50 and the 100, and we look like we're going to be pushing up today. Even if we don't, we've still got that 100 below, which is acting as support. There's also a resistance line, which will probably become support should it go that low. I don't see that happening. I see us pushing up. It's a flat day across the entire market, so yesterday's pullback is of no concern to me. So I'll leave the very brief technical analysis for there, and I'll leave the video for there as well. So like I said, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I'd like to grow the channel. Also, if you could drop a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience, and any comments or questions you've got, please leave them down below, and I'll either get back to you via video or on the directly below your question. So thank you for watching, and I wish you all a wonderful afternoon and evenings, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye for now.